beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. To all my channel subscribers, thank you lots for always coming back, and if it's the first time on this channel, thank you for stopping by. So in today's video guys, I'll be showing you how I made this beautiful passion twist. I used 4 packs of expression and passion twist water wave. Yeah, at the beginning of the video I showed it. So it's so simple guys, and please, yeah guys, we are monetized. Don't worry, I will make a special video for you guys because you are too much. You made this happen for me, right? So now that we are monetized, you will be seeing ads on my channel, and please do not skip the ad. Even if you want to skip it, you can wait after 30 seconds, right? Yeah, before you can skip it. On to the deal of the day. This hair is so simple, like super simple. All you need is a crochet needle, the hair you made. Any hair is okay as far as it's passion twist. And then your hair. So close the latch of your hook and put it in between your hair. Then attach the crochet. Attach the passion twist to it, and then just watch. Yeah, it's so simple. Just watch it. Yeah, I just pass that into the other one, and drag and make it tight. So guys, just watch the video, and that is it. Then on your natural hair, you apply the gel to make it stick together with the what's it called, with the passion twist, and then you twist the hair in one direction. Make sure you follow a particular direction. If you're going to the right, follow right. If you're going to the left, follow left. So guys, enjoy this video and make sure you watch till the end. I have a special announcement for you. So I just want to tell you guys something. You know, when making this hair for the first time, yes, you will make a lot of mistakes. But I tell you, do not give up. What did I say? Do not give up. Continue. I tell you, eventually, you will get it. Yes. And when making the hair, do not drag it. Like as you can see, I was dragging it. That is not a good thing to do. Just let the hair be. Just twist it naturally. Like, let it be. Don't drag it. Because if you drag it, you won't like the outcome, right? So enjoy this video with me, and please do not forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you can be notified anytime there's a new content on this channel. Alright guys, enjoy.
Holding on to what I know, to everything I've learned, what is real and fabricated. What is wrong? What is my problem? How can I get out of this world that I created? Fighting storms in my head, don't know where I have been. I'm alone, no one to turn to, no one understands. Shit's too complicated. And I feel like I am someone else. And I feel like I don't know myself, no. And I feel like I don't know my name. And I don't want to live this way. I don't wanna keep on wasting a life. I'm drowning my head, I'm losing my mind. And if you could know, yeah, if I could show you, I don't wanna keep on living this life so faceless.
Unknown brain.
mind, and we back. Can't nobody tell me nothing. Made it through the rain, I turned nothing into something. No more dealing with the assumptions, cause I do what I gotta do and I know, can't nobody do it like me. All they do is judge me for who I might be. Maybe if they took some time to make my mind to see that I'm older than looking so nicely. All I wanna do is live it up with the homies. Everybody really talking as if they know me, but I guess I gotta face it. I'm so tired of being faceless. I don't wanna keep on wasting a life. I'm drowning in my head, I'm losing my mind. And if you could know, yeah, if I could show you, I don't wanna keep on living this life so faceless. So faceless.
Stay here watching. Thank you very much. I really appreciate. And do not forget to hit the subscribe button and join this amazing family. So you see, this hair is so simple. All you need to do is to have patience. Like you have to try over and over and over again till you get it, okay? You don't give up, you don't ever give up on rather what you want to achieve in life, right? So by making your own hair, you are having so many advantages like saving money. Like it depends on where you live. In the country where I am, at least making this hair, going to the salon to make this hair costs a lot of money. Yeah, based on the length. Here in the US, they charge according to length. So I would have paid like $150, $200 for this hair. So this is why, or this is the reason why you need to learn how to make some certain things like this for yourself. And that way you save a lot of money um, for yourself, and you can do it at the comfort of your home. Why, if you're in the salon, you have so many distraction, noise, and all that. You see, it's so beautiful. This is beautiful, beautiful. Guys, don't mind me. I like to sing with my ugly voice. So I am done making the hair. All I have to do right now is just to trim out the excesses at the tip of the hair. So after that, I'll be applying water and the gel on it to smoothen it out. You guys know that I'm a natural hair, right? And if you're a natural hair, you must try to moisturize your hair very well so that when you apply the gel on your hair before braiding it, it will stick very well. So this is it right here. I'm just gonna apply the gel and water to make it smooth and look healthy and shiny. Yeah, that is it, guys. So for the, guys, I said you should watch to the end, right? So since we made up to 1,000 subscribers, I'll be doing giveaway very soon, and you have to stick on this channel to know when I will do that. Please subscribe, okay? Because I do not want you to miss this. It's going to be a huge one. So stick to the channel. Yeah, make sure you turn on your notification bell so you can be easily notified whenever I post new videos, because I'm going to be posting more often now than before. So like I said, do not skip my ad, please. That's the only way we make money. I make money here on YouTube for now. Please do not skip the ad. You can just watch for um 30 seconds and then you can skip it. But sure, I will appreciate if you can watch the ad till the end. The more you watch to the end, the more I get a token from YouTube. Alright guys, I hope you did enjoy this video. Make sure you stay safe out there and see you in my next one. Isn't this beautiful? You see, this is why I said make the hair in one direction. If not, you will have this one going to the south, the other one going to the left. Please click on the videos you're seeing down below. Thank you and see you in the next one. Bye.